Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to the Wake channel. I'm Cody Honeycutt, one of your hosts and riders here on the channel, and today we're going to be talking about common mistakes people make when learning how to wake to wake. Alright guys, here on the channel we have already made a wake to wake video with one of our hosts, Trevor Hansen.
Today we're going to talk about something that a lot of people want to do pretty much as soon as they get on a wakeboard, is how do I catch some air? So wake jumps, super fun thing to learn. It's usually one of the first things that people learn, so we're going to break it down today and show you how to do it.
And we'll link that somewhere here in the video, but today I'm going to give you a couple common mistakes that you can make when learning wake to wakes. The first common mistake that many people make trying to learn wake to wakes is not edging all the way through the wake. This is going to get rid of all your pop and it won't let you get all the way across the wake. By edging all the way through the wake, you're going to have that pop, height, and momentum to make it all the way wake to wake. Another mistake that many people make trying to go wake to wake is they let their arms all the way out. This is not going to allow the body to be very strong and keep that edge all the way through the wake, and also makes you more at risk of taking an edge. Another common mistake that many people make is having an odd body position when coming into the wake. You don't want to be too far back or too far forward. It's going to cause you to be unbalanced when you try to go wake to wake. You want to make sure you have a stacked and more athletic body position so you can make it all the way wake to wake. Another common mistake people make when coming off the wake is not having even weight distribution. You may be too front foot heavy or too back foot heavy, which is going to cause you to come off the wake really weird. A big mistake that people make is not using your legs or pushing off the wake when trying to make it all the way across the wake. When you don't push off with your legs or absorb all your pop and speed, you're not going to be able to make it wake to wake. So make sure you use those legs and push off the wake super hard so you get that nice pop to make it wake to wake. Alright guys, and that is going to be it for our most common mistakes trying to go wake to wake. Make sure you go and watch the video with our other host, Trevor Hansen, on how to wake to wake. Make sure you guys subscribe so you never miss another Wake Channel video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.